All right, Kaspa fam. Wow, Binance has launched Kaspa Futures. We know that it's happened. It is kind of the starting point, I think, of Kaspa slowly but surely about to go mainstream. I think we're still super early. That's the great thing. And Kaspa is getting closer and closer to the top 25. Yeah. When it finally got recognized on the top 100, what did we see? We saw FOMO. It was the perfect storm. We saw FOMO from retail. We're seeing, I think, big exchanges buying Kaspa on the open market because they have to, because Kaspa was a fair launch. And I think you're also seeing people FOMO that were already invested and want to just pad their bags, right? Add to their bags, add as much as they possibly can right now. You have a lot of people looking at Kaspa as, hey, this is a pretty safe, relatively, right, in crypto, safe investment with immense upside. So I think you have a perfect storm happening right now. Now, what's crazy is Kaspa on the yearly gains side of things is above 2,400%. That is absolutely insane, right? So Kaspa getting listed on Binance Futures. Again, we had a little bit of a pullback. People thought it was a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Nope. We dipped a little bit, and right now we are seeing Kaspa continue to get up there and set new all-time highs. Just today, we saw the price of Kaspa make another big move, and if we take a look at where Kaspa could go from here, it's so hard because we haven't seen Kaspa in a bear market, and it launched in November of 2021. Eventually, here's the thing: there will be dips and opportunities to buy the dip along the way, just like there was when we were down about 18% after the Binance listing. But I still feel as if Kaspa is very underground, right? And they're still boosting adoption. They're still not yet listed on major exchanges. So we take a look at all of those sort of things, and given that it's a proof of work, layer 1 blockchain, the Kaspa network is super fast, right? And they've got the DAG technology to optimize block finality. We mentioned the speed. I mean, there's so many things to like from a technical standpoint. A lot of people still looking at it being a proof of work. This opens the door for Bitcoin investors to get interested. We saw Da Vinci put a tweet out there and then a little video. But another thing I wanted to bring to your guys' attention, Kaspa recently raised $30,000. So Kaspa had previously sought to land a tier 1 exchange with a crowdfunding initiative back in July. The project itself was community driven. They raised 30 grand to fund liquidity pools and co-marketing with an unnamed tier 1 exchange. Since that time, Kaspa's community has just continued to grow immensely. I cannot say enough about this community. And what it really unveiled to me is it's huge compared to how big they are by market cap, right? And they're getting pretty big, but they're still not a massive market cap, but their community, just how loyal they are. Because everybody's truly a part of it. It's a true decentralized community. A lot of people are mining it. They feel as if they're super connected to it, and it makes sense. So I say all that to say there's so many things to like about Kaspa in terms of what's happened, but it's still early in my opinion. It's still super early. And I know I'm all over the place a little bit in this video. But, I just wanted to kind of speak to you guys off the top. So if you guys are enjoying this, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below. When we get the major exchanges, that will help even with more adoption. When we get into a full-fledged bull run, when retail money fully comes back into crypto, look out. I think Kaspa is super well positioned to be one of those cryptos, one of those safe haven type assets. I think we're going to see probably a few of those emerge. And I think, the ones that I have top of my mind are Polygon, Chainlink, and Kaspa. Outside of Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the big dogs, that are already in the top 10. I'm looking at Polygon, Chainlink, and Kaspa as kind of safe haven assets in this next bull run. And Kaspa has the most upside in my opinion. Obviously, it has the lowest market cap, but it has tremendous upside because it has not experienced a full-fledged bull run yet. It just got the tail end of the bull run in 2021, right? And obviously, its performance in the bear market speaks volumes to what kind of project this is. So super excited about what's coming, guys. Make sure you guys are locked in by subscribing down below. Drop your comments. Give me your thoughts. Always love hearing from you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.